Hello again guys, cheers for tuning in. So the first clip of the night is this headshot on this rabbit. Absolutely perfect shot. Probably about maybe 60-70 yards, something like that. Really nice clean shot. So this guy, another nice clean shot. Went down really well. Probably maybe 70-80 yards, something like that. Decent distance. So I'm just having a little scan around the field, seeing where the next one may be, and also trying to pick out a safe backstop area. So I lined up on this rabbit, and what do you know, he sets off running as soon as I'm just getting ready to take the shot. But he stopped, and I soon found him again. Another nice clean shot. Really humane kill. This is one very lucky rabbit. Just set off as the trigger was pulled. Just ducked that bullet. So this guy was probably 120 yards, something like that. It was a really good distance away, so I took my time trying to line up for this shot. A little bit nervous really, because it is a good distance for the 17 HMR, and the tripod's not the most stable of things, so I was really trying to make it a good shot. And we got him, no problem at all. Nice clean kill. I've left this in because we all miss. If you say you don't miss, you're full of shit. And I'm honest, I'll leave them in. Another nice clean shot. Initially this guy started running off into the field. Managed to track him. Found him again. Probably took the shot at, I don't know, maybe 70-80 yards. Another nice clean shot. Obviously gone straight down again. Nice clean humane kill. Can't really complain with that. Absolute schoolboy error. Empty mag. Click. Nothing happened. This is the last recorded clip of the night. Nice clean kill shot, probably 70 yards. We got one more off camera with an air rifle. So total was 7 for the night, and a couple of particularly nasty headshots with a 17 HMR. All the best guys, see you next time.